Digital Rebel Granny here. If you're 60 or older and thinking it's too late to start an online business, let me answer that right now. Absolutely not. You are not late. You are right on time for the life you want to build. Today, I'm going to walk you through 10 foundational steps to starting your very first online business at 50 plus. And we're keeping it simple, practical, and clutter-free. So let's get into this. Step 1. Decide what you want your life to look like. Before you choose a business, you got to choose your lifestyle. Do you want more family time? A flexible schedule? Maybe you want more creative freedom. This chapter of your life gets to be intentional. Your business should serve your lifestyle, not take it over. Step 2, choose a simple, beginner-friendly business model. And there's many to choose from, but it doesn't need to be complicated tech or a 20-step funnel. Great beginner models include digital products, affiliate digital programs, print on demand, or even simple service-based work. So choose one lane and stay in it long enough to learn it. Too many people jump out too soon. You gotta give it a little bit of time. Number 3, clarify who you want to help. Business is all about communication. Who do you understand deeply? Who do you feel called to support? Your lived experience is your greatest advantage. So don't forget, my friends, if you're here and like what I'm talking about, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's get on to number 4. Identify the problem you solve. Every successful online business solves a frustration, a challenge, or a desire. So ask yourself, what pain point can I help someone move through today? Number 5, learn the core digital skills. This is so important, but here's the good news. You only need a few. Using Canva, which is free, writing simple content, posting consistently, and learning how to communicate online. You don't need to be a tech wizard, thank God, just willing to learn step by step. Number 6, build a simple online presence. Pick one platform. Sometimes people try to do too much at too fast and get lost and frustrated. Choose TikTok or YouTube or Facebook. But you got to show up consistently with value, empathy, and clarity. Don't chase perfection, my friends. Chase progress. Number 7, create helpful, relatable content. People don't connect with perfection. They connect with people. So share your story. Share what you're learning. Share small solutions. You become a guide by showing up as yourself. Number 8, set up for your first offer. Here's where it gets exciting. Start small, a checklist, a guide, a digital product, or a simple program. Or use a done-for-you digital program if you prefer to start as an affiliate. Remember, focus on value, not complexity. If you're interested in some simple steps, join me in my Rebel Den, because my friends, I'm here to show you how to do this the easy way. Step number 9, build relationships, not pressure. Your age is your superpower. Your wisdom will build trust. So engage, respond, and encourage. People follow leaders who care, not sales pitches. And finally, step 10. Commit to 90 days of consistency. I know this sounds like a long time, but you got to give yourself time. Clarity comes from doing, not overthinking. So give yourself 90 days to test it, to learn, to refine, and to grow. Your future self will thank you for starting now. Today's guide helped you? I want to share my 10-step starter blueprint with you. It's free. Just comment yes below. And don't forget to join my free community, the Rebel Den, where I'm teaching beginners, military spouses, veterans to learn modern skills without judgment. Your next chapter is calling, and it's louder than those doubts. So let's build it together. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with somebody who needs to hear this today. Rebel Granny out.